Somebody asked for it the other day. You wanted a Banshee video. Well, I went out, I spent my own money, I got a Banshee, I'm finna make y'all a video. So let's see what you think. And it's even better because I gotta tune this one up. I can't wait to do hood rat shit with my friends. Oh my goodness. Listen at it. Hell yeah, dog. What up, everybody? Be sure to like and subscribe. About to run out here. Try and pick up this Yamaha Banshee. See if this will do it. Well, I talked to old boy and he can't get the Banshee started, which I already anticipated because it's been sitting over a year. And he said he'd do $1,500 on it. So if the motor seems to be sound, I'm probably gonna do her, boys. Because I might be able to make me easy $800 to $1,000 on the deal.
2 miles.
Get her tuned up.
Keep left
get
to
you guys
merge
a
onto
video.
I-35 North.
Rip some shitties on it. Hell, I may keep it and throw it in the old stable. We'll see. For $1,500, it's hard to pass up on a clean Banshee like that. I don't know if you know what I know, but maybe I'll drop a pic right here of what I'm going to get. Looks pretty damn good, don't it? We're here, boys. There's the Banshee over there and a little Polaris, apparently. We'll see how this goes. Man, all kinds of stuff here, dude. I'm really glad you contacted me this morning. And I do exactly what I say I'm gonna do. It's like people think it's a horseshit ad. I was here as soon as you'd let me come get this Banshee.
I'll be honest, it was quicker than what I thought.
Yeah, for something like this, absolutely. I'm just glad you had a Polaris here too, because now I can sell that. Nice little extra Polaris too. Man, you guys be sure and like and subscribe. $1,800 in the back of the truck. I can probably turn it into $4,000 pretty easy, boys. So let's see how we do it. Little tires. I mean, probably gonna use battery and some carb work. Let's check out the Banshee. Oh, smashed my hand. I'm gonna wash this puppy up too. Just picked it up, $1,500. It's 02. Probably gonna need some work, but we're gonna try and get her done for it. I'm gonna wash it in this first. Show you guys some of these extras that came with it. New chain and sprockets, extra throttle cable, an old case saver, couple jet kits, some pipe hanger kit, your high performance water pump gasket. It also has the quick cover billet. You got your flywheel and your stator cover. Not sure which is which off the top of my head. I'd have to go look. I mean, come on, boys. I'm gonna start a spark plug store. Look at all them plugs he gave me. The 2-stroke oil, got some foam filter treatment. Oh yeah, they got the airbox delete, the outer filters. We're gonna yank the carbs, clean them up, and dump the tank. We're gonna power wash the sucker real good. And we're gonna let it rip, boys. This is a pretty clean example of an unmolested, uncut Yamaha Banshee. Now, they relocated some stuff. They relocated the CDI and stuff up here. They relocated the key switch. There's a few other things that they did. It's got a different rear brake setup. Oversized brake setup and the sprocket, obviously the pipes. So I pulled the plugs. He had just changed them. Seems to definitely have compression and it does have spark. I am going to gap the plugs because I'm not sure he did it, and I'm gonna clean the carburetors. And then we're gonna let it rip. Y'all won't be afraid of one of these when you see it, even if you had to rebuild it. If you get it bought right, just get it bought. That's it, man. Get it bought. He's surprised how quick I got there with cash, man. He won't be next time though. So carbs are out, definitely. So I'm gonna roll it outside, dump that gas, and power wash it. I have these carbs off here. See what kind of fuel we got. Some brown, a little something brown. Not looking too good. We gave her a little wash. She's pretty. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some fresh gas in this tank. Try and get some of this old stuff to rinse all the way out of here. I'm just gonna put 4-stroke gas in it, douche it out real quick, and then turn it off and mix the tank. So got some regular gas I'm gonna put in there. As you can see here, I've cleaned them both. Don't look too bad at all. I'm gonna put the bowls back on, put them back on, freshen up the gas, see if she'll fire, boys. Don't let them lie to you about Banshee carbs, boys. I got them off at 3:38. I cleaned them and had them back on by 4:15. This is a 30-minute job. They're back on there, new fuel line. I got the choke tube hooked up. Everything's routed right. Check the fluids, make some gas. Going to 32 to 1, 4 ounces of that per gallon. And we're going 87 because I checked the compression and it isn't too high for pump gas. So we're gonna see what's up. I just turned on the fuel and it's got gas in the carbs. So hopefully they ain't gonna piss fluid right now. And I could hook up these old overflow lines if I want here. We're gonna try firing her up, I guess, boys. Don't see gas underneath it. Hard to say if a Banshee's even getting gas if it ain't pissing all over the floor. Hadn't been running years, boys. We're gonna take it easy on her for a minute. Might have to turn that idle up some. Look at all these goodies. How's that idle, boys? How's that damn idle? Huh?
She don't like to be choked. It sounds like an RC car. Oh, dude, yeah. Pulls hard to the left. Hell yeah, dog! Damn, dude. No more wheelies.
Just tell everybody bye just in case, man. You look like an astronaut without that beak on the helmet.
Yeah.
You do. Damn, Blake was walking a mile an hour.
3.
That's fast.
That was 3. It said my top speed was 3.
And don't hit any kids or mailboxes. Don't do it right in front of all the neighbors if you can help it. Make sure the neighbors don't see you.
I'm gonna jump the neighbors.
Okay, perfect.
Ow.
Perfect. Too much spin. Hell yeah, dog!
Dude, you need to see this video, bro.
Too fast or
So
what?
check this out.
Let's see how fast you did go before you tell me.
Let's see. And this was, dude, this was going towards like the bottom of the hill down there.
Yeah.
And you know how it ends? Braking like way early, like skidded, and then I went ahead and went sideways, and then went a little bit into the ditch, and then I was like, yeah. And then I went around. I got into 6th gear going down here, but it was so squirrely. I'm telling you, I was like, no.
Needs sand.
Yeah, or for sure.
Did you hit 6th gear? 70 max, but he didn't top her out.
No, for sure. That was like bottom.
70.
That was like a little bit bottom of 6th.
So you didn't even pull through 5th and shift into it? You couldn't?
Oh, I pulled through 5th and shifted into 6th, and then also going up the hill, I pulled into 6th, but then I stopped as soon as I got like to the top of the hill, and it was just like, it was damn near break. Well, I actually, no, I went.
You
over
have
the
to
hill.
brake about 200 foot.
I went over the hill. No, I braked for like 1,000. I'm telling you.
I'm heavier though. I told you, dude, I'm like, I'm heavy, bro, and I'll slide like 40 feet.
Yeah.
Okay. It runs good for sure, but you could tell it's geared up because when I went to do the donuts on it,
yeah,
I could tell that he must have geared it up because he said he liked the top speed on it and rode it on dirt roads.
Exactly, yeah.
Made it this far. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure and like and subscribe. Give us a comment. Tell us what you think. This is a pretty clean old Banshee. Got a really good deal on it. And you know what? I think it's going up for sale, boys. So act fast. Don't lowball me on it. And I appreciate you watching.